Okay, stop. Okay, dear student, today our topic is non-ideal solution, concept of fugacity and fugacity coefficient. Fugacity coefficient. We know very well what about non-ideal solution. It's not obey the Raoult's law, and delta H mix not equal to 0 and delta V mix not equal to 0. We know very well what about non-ideal solution. Here, first of all, here we can apply concept of fugacity. Before explanation of concept of fugacity, chemical potential equation mu I equal to mu I star plus RT ln Pi. These equation applicable for ideal solution. These equation applicable for non-ideal solution. Here M is the chemical potential of the ith component, M star or M naught is the standard chemical potential. Here P is the pressure. These equation applicable for ideal solution. In the same manner we can apply for the non-ideal solution. Expressed same equation, or that is a similar equation, mu I equal to mu I star plus RT ln Fi. Here F is the fugacity. Here F is the F denoted with fugacity. These equation applicable for non-ideal solution. These equation applicable for non-ideal. Both are similar. What is the main concept of fugacity here? Here generally in ideal solution there is no pressure corrections, but in non-ideal solution some corrections is there in terms of pressure. That corrections corrected by fugacity. That is the main concept of fugacity. And after then what about fugacity units? Fugacity, pressure both are same, but fugacity is applicable only non-ideal solution. Non-ideal solution, another name we are called as real solution. In our chemistry 90% of the solutions, real solutions are non-ideal solution. For non-ideal solution, opposite is the ideal solution. Here simple question, fugacity concept applicable for non-ideal solution. What is the main reason introduced by fugacity? In a pressure some corrections corrected by fugacity concept. And fugacity units, same units like pressure, that is the atmospheres. And then fugacity coefficient. Fugacity coefficient denoted with pi equal to Fi by Pi. The ratio of the fugacity and pressure we called as fugacity coefficient. For example, for ideal solution, what about value of the fugacity coefficient? The simple answer is 1 for ideal solution. Why? Because for a ideal solution, fugacity and pressure both are same. That's why the result answer is 1. For a ideal solution, fugacity coefficient is 1. For non-ideal solution, fugacity coefficient not equal to 1 for non-ideal. And what about units of fugacity coefficient? The fugacity coefficient is equal to fugacity coefficient is equal to the ratio of fugacity by pressure. The units atmosphere and atmosphere both cancel. The result is no units. Fugacity coefficient no unit. In our internal questions, what about units of fugacity? No units. What about units of fugacity atmosphere? Okay, like this. This is the non-ideal solution concept of fugacity and fugacity coefficient. Next concept in the same manner, activity and activity coefficient. Activity and activity coefficient. Here also same equation. For a ideal solution, mu I is equal to mu I star plus RT ln xi. These equation applicable for ideal solution. In the same manner, equation for non-ideal, mu I is equal to mu I star plus RT ln AI. Here xi is the mole fraction. Here AI is the activity. Same concept like a fugacity. In a non-ideal solution, mole fraction some corrections, that corrections corrected by activity concept. Now we can apply activity equation. Activity mu I minus, from this equation mu I minus mu I star is equal to RT ln AI. We want AI value. Ln AI is equal to mu I minus mu I star by RT. AI is equal to e to the power of mu I minus mu I star by RT. This is the activity equation. After then activity coefficient. For the activity coefficient simple equation mu non-ideal minus mu I star ideal. Here for a non-ideal RT ln AI minus RT ln XI. Here from this equation RT is the common, ln AI minus ln XI. RT is ln A minus ln B, ln A by B, ln AI by XI. Here RT ln in place of AI by XI is equal to gamma I. Here gamma I is the activity coefficient. Gamma is the activity coefficient. We can write this is the activity coefficient. And after then units of the mole fraction. Mole fraction we have no units, and activity also no units, and gamma I also no units. From the figurative coefficient here also same thing. For a ideal solution gamma I is equal to 1. Why? Because there is no correction for ideal, because AI by XI both are same. The result answer is 1. For non-ideal gamma I is not equal to 1 for non-ideal. Why? Because for a non-ideal solution some corrections, that means activity and mole fraction both are different. That's why the result answer is not equal to 1. This is the fugacity and activity concept. Okay, thank you very much.